phones to make some photos and videos as we welcome our lovely celebrator. Let's give a big resounding applause for Satara, our celebrator. Let's go! It's on. 1, 2, 3, 4! Let's give it up once again for our celebrator, Satara. I would like to invite the family on the stage. And now let us have their first family picture. Picture muna tayo for our souvenir. So family, please stand up. In 3, 2, 1, eyes on the camera. In front, Satara, please smile. Let's do it, guys. That's it.
Good afternoon po. Thank you po sa pagdalo ninyo. And masaya po siyempre at least nakasama namin kayo dito. Kung wala kayo, hindi magiging matagumpay yung birthday celebration niyo po. And then, yun lang po. Welcome po sa lahat. Sana mag-enjoy po tayo.
Ayun. Ngayon naman, may hirit kami lang gusto idagdag. And then, syempre, sir, just to acknowledge lang, baka meron tayong mga bisita na nag-travel ng malalayo para sa celebration ni Satara. Baka meron from Manila, di ba? From Baguio. O, di ba? Bigyan natin ng pagkakataon si sir. Palakpakan niyo naman the daddy of our celebrator.
Maya pa ito kaya katamuan. Meron muna man isabiyang ko eh. So, yako po meron. Pasalamat ko Diyos at kaya kayo hindi natang. Ngayon eh, pasalamat ko nga doon eh. Uli na itang siguro,
Hinga.
Kaya mo yan!
Maswelo yan mo po. Maswelo yung kaya katagong father ng Satara na eh. Sundo mo, sir.
Maswelo ko kasi at joke man. At inga na ako. Siguro itong kita ka salamat.
Palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen, the father of our celebrator. Showing from the father na napakatuwang-tuwa po niya. It is a tears of heart, it is tears of joy na natutuwa, di ba? Kasi parang, alam mo ba yun, yung mga tatay kasi, hindi sila mapag-express madalas ng kanila, hindi sila showy person. Pero alam mo yun na mararamdaman mo yun, di ba? Maraming salamat po. Now, Satara, syempre, you are going to enjoy your celebration. Kailangan, lagi kang nakasmile. At gusto namin, our role is to make you happy on this day. So, Satara, we have some guests to give some word para sa'yo. Yung mga babati sa'yo ng happy birthday, yung mga magbibigay ng wish for you. So, we begin with our well-wishers, guys. So, ito yung mga hihiling para sa birthday celebration ni Satara. Okay? So, I need the help coming from the mother to invite on the stage our well-wishers. Sinong in-charge natin, ma'am? Sinong nandyan?
Una po si Tita Yam niya, tapos si...
Tita Yam muna. Tita Yam muna tayo. So, we would like to invite on the stage to join the family, our Tita Yam po, for to give a word, a wish for Satara. Palakpakan naman natin si Tita Yam. Come on, ma'am. Alright. Ma'am, let me help you on the stage, please. Sige po. Ayan. Okay. So, eto na, Satara. Ito na yung mga babati sa'yo.
Hello, Satara. Happy birthday. So, wish ko lang sa'yo, sana lumaki kang mabait, no? At malusog, malayo sa anumang sakit at kapahamakan. So, i-bless ka ni Lord, basta be a good girl, ha? So, again, happy birthday, Tara.
Palakpakan naman natin our Tita Yam. Just wanted to invite Tita Yam to join the family po for a picture. Tita Yam, halika muna, mag-picture muna kayo. Sorry po once again. Ayan. So let's do their picture po. Ayan. In 3, 2, 1, 2, smile. Alright.